Investment banking is one of the most profitable fields in the financial industry. If the sound of money gives you a tingling sensation, then definitely this is the field worth exploring. And today, with this video, we are going to unscrew the nuts and bolts of the term investment banking. So what is investment banking? Investment banking is a branch of banking that organizes large and complicated financial transactions such as mergers or IPO underwriting. Basically, the investment banking institutions raise money for their clients. Now to contemplate this clearly, let's look at an example. During the period of the Civil War, the US federal government needed more money to finance their military initiative. However, they had no bright idea how to raise this substantially large amount of money. And about that time, investment banks stepped up and laid the foundation for what we call securities or bonds today. These securities act as a guarantee that the entity taking money will return it back with a decided interest schema. So, investment banks took these securities from the US Federation and sold them to the investors looking to invest. And by doing so, they earned the profit for being the middleman from both sides. So, if I have to intuitively put this forward, that investment banking can be considered as the bridge between demand and offer. They are bridging the people who have capital and are eager to invest and the people who need financing for one of their projects. Now let us talk a little bit about a career in investment banking. Guys, remember that the world will always require companies that can drive innovation. These creative companies will always require large investments. Also, people who have money will constantly hunt for possibilities to invest for savoring their future. And hence, the world will always require these investment banking institutions and professionals to drive this money. The average salary for investment banking professionals in the US lies around a whopping amount of 113,000 USD, whereas in India, the salary averages around 12 lakh rupees. However, it can go up to a gigantic amount of 70 lakh rupees. That's all we have for today. Thank you for watching the video and make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell icon to come across more such videos.